Creative services. Creative services are a subsector of the creative industries, a part of the economy that creates wealth by offering creativity for hire to other businesses. Creative services also means a department within a company that does creative work such as writing, designing, and production. It is often a sub-department of the marketing organization. Examples include, like lawyers and accountants in the professional services sector, creative services firms sell a specialized technical service to satisfy the needs of companies that do not have this expertise themselves. Creative services firms provide creative services to other companies or to the public. They do creativity to order. Typical business models revolve around selling the time of skilled professionals, either on a project-by-project basis, or through a service-level agreement, and providing services on an ongoing basis for a fixed monthly fee. In this sense, they share much in common with professional services firms, but there are also key differences. Notes.